I'm going to talk about this Huffy build, or BMX build. Hey guys, Country Boy 460 here. I'm going to talk about this Huffy build, or BMX build, because technically that's what it's going to be. I'm going to push it into the garage at some point, because it's been, excuse the wind noise, because I don't know if you'll hear it or not. I might be able to soft that. But oh, it's so rusty. It's gonna have to be. I'm gonna take a drill and grab a little grinding piece and grind all the rust off. Clean all the metal up. Duct tape the seat up just a bit. All it needs is new tires, front and rear. Front and rear, I pointed that way, but whatever. Pedals probably can last, and obviously it needs a chain. I don't know if I should turn this one into a BMX or this one into a BMX. That one's smaller, but this one I think is stronger. I don't know. Good. Tell me down in the comments below which one you think should be mine. Because I got two. This one's sitting. If I don't use this one as a BMX, that's gonna get sold for some money. That's like I said, that's gonna be a build soon. I'm gonna show you how to make a 12. No, it's a 7-year-old bike now. I've had it for like 7, 8 years, around there now. 7 to 8-year-old bike look like basically a brand new one. A really clean one. And it needs new tires too. So first we gotta fix my personal bike, and then I'll buy me a new one, and then we'll start Project Huffy or whatever the fuck that is. Just some generic brand. It's kind of a crappy day. Really cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain, but it hasn't yet. And the wind. I really need to get a mic that cannot catch wind very well, because this one actually does. But yeah, I guess this little hole in the seat needs to be cleaned up. Now we need to find a bolt for that. The graphics are kind of coming off, but I mean, I don't want it to look pretty. I just want it to, be a BMX bike. Maybe take it out to the skate park on the weekends, which we do have one here, but it's a tad bit of a drive to get out there. Now it doesn't have bars on the some rivets. No, it's not rivets. What the fuck are you called? On the metal things right now. I can't think what they're called. I know what they're called, but I just can't think. And I need nuts because I'm missing them. So I don't know, guys. It's gonna be shit. Shit. Go away, wind. Oh, that's not the welded one. Okay, that's a lot of wind. The battery just died on me, but it's still good. That's gonna be a short little video. Just a short little video. I'll tell you what's gonna go on. You guys comment down below which one you think I should use. Obviously, probably the hot feed. Remember to keep it country. I got a new website, and I'll put the link down in the description below. Mount y'all holler. That's all I have to say. Probably die. Alright, keep talking. So, see ya. Mount y'all.